So this is room 2404 at Reflect Krystal Los Cabos. It is a Altitude Club Oceanview Junior Suite. So we come in directly to the right. We've got the bathroom, which has a proper door on it. Lots of towels. Toiletries include the vanity kit, shoe polish, mending kit, shower cap, and we've got some body lotion there, as well as toothpaste and a little shaver and some shaving cream. A couple of glasses on the side. Over here we've got the toilet. As you can see, there is a lit mirror. And you've got a nice walk-in shower, very spacious. Oh, and then shampoo and conditioner. Lots of room for your stuff in here. The first closet, or the main closet, we've got a couple of bathrobes, ironing board, and then if it rains, you've got an umbrella, as well as you've already got some beach towels and a beach bag to use during your stay. Lots of hangers. You can always request more from room service. And in-room safe. Nice dining table. Room service is available 24/7. We do have in-room climate control. You can set that to high, medium, or low as you prefer. This is, of course, a pull-out couch. This room's got a king-size bed, and I do love that they have plug-ins on either side of the bed so you can keep your phone charged if you're like me and use that as your primary camera. Beautiful view. I'm going to absolutely love waking up to that tomorrow, but more on that later. And of course you have a little beverage station, so we've got a fancy coffee machine. I don't know, I don't drink coffee, so I presume these are the little coffee things. A bunch of different teas. And let's see if there's Spanish room service. Breakfast, so quite a few different varieties. Chilaquiles, waffles, coffee. They got a kids menu, tortilla soup, nachos with chicken, and then lunch and dinner, pepperoni pizza, brownies, chicken nuggets for the kids. Midnight menu. This is the important stuff. Caesar salad if you want to be healthy, French fries, chicken quesadillas, club sandwich, cheeseburger, margarita pizza, and some cake as well. Nice big TV. And then down here we've got the beverage station, and you see that there's a some M&Ms, of course, and a little bottle of tequila for your in-room beverage experience. And then here's the mini bar, and we've got club soda and various pops, Tecate, they're darker light, water and guava, guayaba. I'm guessing that's guava. Yeah, it's another word in Spanish I have not mastered. And then out here we've got the hot tub, jacuzzi tub, which is actually, on a hot day, it's absolutely lovely if you just chuck some ice in there and some cold water and just soak your feet as you sit on the side of that. Really nice to cool you down. A little bench seat, but literally right from the bed, this is the view you've got. So it's not too windy today. There's a little restaurant down below. This is the adult side to my left over here. And then the family side is over to the right. So there's a couple of different pool areas. And you can walk down the beach, as you can see, for literally miles. Now, San Jose del Cabo and Los Cabos in general are not swimming areas. But as you can see, there are some people over there swimming. And that's actually a surfing area. So where the waves are quite predominant, it's a good place to learn to surf, I guess. But, you know, you just gotta be careful of what you're doing and cautious. Anyways, there you go. So Reflect Krystal Los Cabos, and I think I just missed something jumping in the water out there, so that's going to be fun to see. Dolphins, manta rays, all kinds of stuff. Bring your binoculars, you will enjoy it, and you never know what you might see out there. Thanks for tuning in.